here we go. Okay, here we go. So we will have the solution to Liam's riddle later today. He's got 4 crayons. He says you can move one of them and make a square. We will solve that at 12:20. It is Tuesday, December 6th. It's math time. Before we start math, I want to remind the kids who are reading today at our writer's celebration to come to class or to send me an email telling me why they're not coming. We're going to have Amadi and Sophia and Eli and Nora all read, and Liam is going to read, and Brianna is going to read her essay. And Anna is supposed to have sent me an email with her essay. I haven't gotten it yet, so I'll write her a note. If any of you guys cannot come and read for some reason, you need to tell me why. Send me an email, or better yet, send me a recording of you reading your essay so that I can play that at 12:20. And then everybody else come and you get to hear everybody reading their essays. It'll be really fun. They're great essays and they're pretty short. It is 10 o'clock now and we have a couple of things to do. First of all, I checked your math progress and you might have gotten a note saying, I'd like you to finish these assignments before you take the final test. That's for your own good so that you can make sure that you know what you're doing before you take that final test. So if you got that note from me, please go on and do some of those assignments today. And if you have any questions or you're confused at all, I'm going to be in the main room. I have lots of kids who come to me a lot and have me work the math with them. And that's okay because you're learning and that's the goal, right? So don't be afraid to ask questions. You guys have the end of mod review today, 508, where you kind of go over the topics that you've covered. And then you need to take 509, the end of mod test, if you're ready for it. If not, you should be working on those other assignments. I know that Liam, you are already done with it. So I recommend you do some Sudoku. But you can also leave the meeting. And then also you have Dreambox that you need to be doing. Nora, question.
So can we do like breakout rooms and partners or no?
Not today, because people really need to get caught up on some of their math assignments. If you knew of somebody else who needed to do the same assignment, you could do that. But I'd rather have you just catch up on things today. Is that okay? And then if you have any questions, come in the main room and ask me. We are going to do breakout rooms though. And that way you'll be here if you have a question. Okay. But I'm just going to assign you. And then if you're having a really hard time and you want to come work with me, you can. But this is sort of the end of unit test. So I really want you to do it. Any other questions? Okay, so go to your breakout rooms, work on what you need to work on, or do 508 and 509, and then do Dreambox if you get done with all of that. Come and ask me if you have any questions at all. Please don't send a note asking me to come to you, because then it's hard when nobody's in the main room. And we'll have book club at 10:30.
The answer is kind of hard to see for my riddle. It's very hard.